Alright, YouTubers, welcome back. My name's Dave. Like it always is, and you found do it yourself, do it right, and well, I found an Egyptian gyro. I'm at the Gloversville Rail Trail something festival. We got family stuff over there and car stuff over there. Brought the bike up. Gonna show you all the festivities after I'm done shoving that gyro in my face. First, the family fun, and then I'll show you probably the rarest, or maybe the second rarest car I've seen in the wild.
Country road.
Thank you for your service, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I lied. It's more like a craft fair than family fun.
What? Okay.
Yeah, I'm the assistant.
All right, now to the cars. And I saw this car when I pulled in on the bike. I'm gonna show it to you first. For those of you that know Corvettes, this sucker right here is beautiful. It's a 1960 Fuelie with a 4-speed, completely restored. Probably one of the nicest cars I've seen up here or ever, because this sucker is, whoo-wee. She's beautiful. I mean, I am partial to the 58 to 62 Corvettes, but this one, the two-tone paint, the matching paint around the rim. That sucker, boy, she's just out of this world.
God damn.
And there's another one over there. Right there, right across the way. I videoed that one before, so if you want to see that one, you know, check out some of my other car show videos. What we have here is a beautiful 67 GTO convertible.
How you doing?
Oh, your car?
No, my brother's.
Oh, your brother's car. Yeah. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
They say you got a GTO and a Harley.
Yeah, he's got a GTX too.
Oh no, a GTX. It's a beautiful car.
Yeah. Only got 67,000 on it.
Wow. Low miles too. This is a cool hot rod, rat rod, whatever you want to call it. It's a cool little door. Our rods are hot.
That's what she said.
Been to the Syracuse Nationals a couple times, four times, so 15, 16, 17, and 18. That's a big show out in Syracuse. Usually I think it's an indoor show, so that's kind of cool. Not sure if I videoed this little hot rod before. It's kind of like an old school throwback hot rod. This is what's cool about it. Side by side poly carbs. And I don't know if you can really see it, but there's like a metal flake. It's like glitter in the paint. I guess glitter paint. I don't typically video newer cars, although this is 80s, which is, I don't know, 30 something years old now. But this car is cool because it's a GTA, and I had, well, like the little brother to one of these was my first car. It was an 88 Pontiac Firebird. Wasn't a GTA, it wasn't black, it wasn't cool like this one. It was just a red 88 Pontiac Firebird. This one is an 89. It's got T-tops. It's, you know, it's decked out. You got a B&M shifter. Check out the B&M. This looks like a nice driver. Pontiac. It's a Silver Streak 8. Looks like he enjoys his car.
No shit, Sherlock.
It's a fun little cruising car. Straight 6 Mustang, 68. I believe it's also a 3-speed. I mean, they're not super sought after, but you know, they're a wonderful Sunday drive car. You just get in and cruise. You get a bunch of thumbs up. You know, a lot of you know, waves while you're going down the road. Just a cool old car. And we got a nice Pontiac Firebird. Don't be fooled. It's not a Camaro, it's a Firebird. And they looked a lot alike. This one's a 4-speed. I don't know if he's moving, but it's a nice Firebird. If you guys don't know about Stewart's, Stewart's is where it's at. All right, folks, well, that's a wrap on that car show slash festival slash whatever the heck it was. You know, I had to get going. Couldn't sit there. I was trying to wait to see who won best in show. My pick would have been that Corvette, obviously, because it's beautiful and rare and, you know, the nicest car there. I just couldn't stay. There was a motorcycle category and there was one other motorcycle there, and I was just like, well, you know, lady came out, said, oh, you know, you should probably stay. I guess they probably saw me putting my helmet on. And I said, well, listen, I got to go. I can't stay. If I'm winning something, give it to the other motorcycle. You know, it's just a plastic trophy. you know, it's not really an accomplishment when there's only one other motorcycle there. So, you know, let that dude have it. Let him take home the plastic and do his thing. So, if you like these car shows, festivals, old people activities, let me know. You know, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And like always, till next time, thanks a lot.
These ladies make a mean Egyptian gyro.